the box. Just gonna do my annual update of all the mods. I've done a couple new ones, so I figured I should update the video here. Okay, so starting with the front, I got the two-leaf fairing with two spotlights, LED spotlights, black, matte black vinyl roof, got a dash cam there, 14-inch single row LED light bar on the hood. I've got hella horns in the front, the DIY projector headlights right there. Did that myself, it's custom, running an HID bulb. I believe that's an H1 size. And then I've got the Auxbeam pods for the fog lights. They originally were white, 6000K color, and I put a yellow film over it. Then this is to trickle charge the battery when I don't drive it for a long period of time. Got a 22-inch light bar here, and I have it mounted there and there with the bracket. And if you can see, these are dual spotlights and fog lights. And if you're wondering, I had plasti dipped this and this black. It's pretty easy to do, along with the emblem. Yeah, I think that's it for the front. So if we make it to the side here, this is the side view. Okay, so let's start with the wheels. It's the question I get asked a million times a day. They are 235, 70, size 17, and the rims are 17-inch. And as you can see, I have 30 millimeter spacers to push the wheels out to give it that perfect kind of flush look that I want. Well, it's a little sticking out, but I like that look. Gives it a little bit more aggressive to the whole element. You can see right there. Yep. And then markers, side markers, LED. I have it smoked. It's really easy. Just get a tint and you just wrap it and then you cut it out, right? It's not actually a smoked lens that I bought. It's just a film. That's pretty easy. You can do that yourself. Have another turn signal here for the side. I have the OEM mudguards on top. Added the Rally Armor basic flood maps, mud flaps. Got the OEM side steps. These ones come out further out. There are two types for the element. One which you don't see the gap here, so when you step on it, you don't get much of a good step or whatever. But these ones come out a little bit more, so you have a better grip. That's what I found out. Okay, so side mirror. Have this cover here, which actually helps a lot. Keeps the mirror clean. Blind spot mirror. And on the bottom, I've added a puddle light here for nighttime. It's like a 3-watt, I think, and it basically illuminates this whole area at night. So when I'm walking towards it, the car, it's activated when I unlock the remote on the fob, key fob. I'll probably do a night video just to show you the lights, because obviously got a lot going on here in terms of lighting. It's pretty cool at night. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, here got side LEDs, and then these are the front ones. And I have these are just Thule square bars, along with the Yakima basket. And I have these like track pads or whatever you call them, just in case if I get stuck in the winter I can use them. I've used them a couple times already. Oh, I have I added this black strip of vinyl just to give it a little bit more of a, I think it looks more aggressive with that strip there. It's pretty easy to do. Okay, I think that's it for the side. Now onto the rear of the car. I have the OEM Honda Element spoiler. Oh, by the way, this is a 2003 four-wheel drive automatic, so I do have the sunroof. Here in the back, I have part of the puddle lights. They're linked from the side mirrors to the back here, and I've got 2 of them. So basically, when I unlock the car at night, these 2 lights turn on along with the side ones, so it illuminates all around the car. I have a camera here, which is linked to my rear view. It basically tells me what's behind me while I'm driving instead of using the mirror. Along with when I reverse, it shows me a wider angle. I've got a LED strip light here, which does my brake and as long as reverse. So at night you can just imagine a red strip right across. This is a 4-row LED, as you can see, so it's a lot brighter. What else is in the back? Okay, I've got a super bright red fog light here. And then all these are LED, so turn signal LED, brake light LED, and reverse light LED. Again, if you guys want, I can do a nighttime video just to show you how the lights work. In the back, oh yes, something new. I've added these reverse sensors. They're really helpful. Just in case sometimes you may miss something in the camera. So if there's a kid walking by or whatever, these actually, they beep, right? And so I added 4 of them. There's 1 on the side here. I couldn't get behind here. I mean, you could, but it's a lot of work because there's a lot of like dampening and crash whatever padding in here. So if you want to actually drill it through here, you'd have to like remove some of that stuff, and I didn't want to do that. So basically I have 1 here and 1 on the other side, and I'm running 2 extra on the bottom here, so here and here. So in total I have 4 sensors, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they work really well. I've got a LED tag light, and then these are the rear fog reverse spotlights if I need to use them. I have them linked to either my reverse gear, or I can turn them on manually with the switch inside. One, if you can see, is actually a spotlight, and one is a fog. One is a flood, and one's a spot. Yeah, that's what I meant. And I got a rear hitch, and it's a 2-inch. And right now I currently have a LED fog light, which I've got off eBay, and basically it goes right in its adapter and it lights up. And I have it hooked up on a separate switch again, so if I want, if the weather's bad or whatever, I can turn that on and just give people behind me more visibility. Sorry, it's a bit cold here today. Added a beefed up exhaust. This is DC Sports, just off Amazon, and it's a perfect size, I think. Looks good. Yep. Now rally armor mud flaps again, right there. And yeah, just gonna show you this angle of the car. Yeah, so I mean, I do want to post more stuff on YouTube here for you guys, but I don't want to be just posting random stuff because it takes time to make videos. And maybe if you guys want to know more about a specific mod that I did, maybe you can just comment on below, and then if I have enough of that one topic, then I can find time and make a video, because I don't want to just make a bunch of random videos here. But yeah, I'll show you inside, but it's quite messy, so I want to clean it up before I do inside video, because there's lots of lights in there as well. But yeah, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Comment if you have any questions. Thanks. Peace.